Alright, well, we're out in the garage today. We just got the, we're getting ready to do an upgrade on the Camaro. A well-needed upgrade that we've needed for quite some time now. And that's going to be putting a set of wheels on this thing and tires that are going to potentially make us hook, because we have been struggling just constantly. I've had 18-inch wheels on my car for a few years now, and not been able to make them work for me at the track or on the street in general. Just a lot of spinning, and that clearly ain't gonna get you there. So we ended up upgrading the rims and tires, going with a set of like a drag pack with 15s in the back and skinnies up front. I'm gonna take you through the process, and we're even gonna take the old wheels off the car. I got the car jacked up out front. We're gonna end up taking the old wheels off, and we're gonna compare the weight difference between the two, and also gonna take you through the process of mounting up the tires on the beadlock wheels. And here we go.
That's right.
Alright, here's what we got. We got the first wheel, the new front wheel. And we got, looking at 29 pounds even. And we got the TSW. This is a 9.5-inch wheel, 18 round, 275, 35, 18 tires. Looking at 54 pounds. What's up, buddy? Hey, buddy.
I saw your car in my window.
I was calling your name.
Can I hear you?
58 pounds. It's an 18-inch wheel. This is a 285 40 18 on this one.
NT05R.
And now, what do we got with the big meat? The heavy lubes. 55 pounds. Wheel just a little bit lighter. The only reason I'm taking these apart is because I wasn't the one that assembled them, so I kind of like to know how they all work, and if they were put together properly. I believe you're supposed to put some anti-seize on them, and they got to be to a proper torque spec and all that stuff. So I'm gonna end up looking that up and take these apart, see how it was done, and go by the directions, put it back together. Alright, so it's looking like we need to put anti-seize in the first 5 threads or so of the bolt, so about 1/4 inch of the bolt, and do a star pattern. It has a diagram if you look it up on the internet. There's a star pattern to do that. 3 passes total. First pass being 102 inch-pounds, which would be 10 foot-pounds. Second step being 192 inch-pounds, 16 foot-pounds. And step 3 would be torquing each bolt in a circular pattern for step 3, and that would be at the last torque spec of 22 foot-pounds or 264 inch-pounds. guys get the gist. I'm gonna ceramic coat this wheel, and then I'm gonna hit the other one, and I'll bring you back into it.
I don't need two try. You can get like you had the little base, right? That'd be just good enough. What case? Or a little.
Alright, I already knew going into this, putting 15-inch wheels on the car, you got to knock down just a little bit off the caliper. So I'm going to hit it with the Metavo just to clean it up a bit. With a 15-inch wheel, you're going to be hitting, or possibly hitting, it's going to be very close to this couple little edges here. So I'm just going to take those down just a hair. And then that way I don't have to worry about the rim hitting the caliper. All said and done, this is what the caliper looks like after I've ground down the high spots. Ended up cleaning these up one of these days here and painting those. You won't even be able to tell. Gonna roll with 75 foot-pounds on it.
Are you filming a video? Hello.
Yeah. You gonna tell them your name?
Hey, Dad.
All right, people, it's a new day. We're out here, got the new wheels and tires on this Camaro over here, and we're getting ready to take it to the streets and see what this thing's got with some fresh rubber on it.